to play as one team is really going to be challenged. And yun ang tawag ko dyan is Team Pilipinas. Ito talaga, hindi lang ito tungkol sa coach or sa mga player, pero pati sa ating sixth man, yung mga nanonood, yung pupunta sa MOA Arena para manood, yung manonood sa TV, yung mga magdadasal para sa Pilipinas, para sa bansa natin ito. And now more than ever, we can really show Asia and the world gaano kalakas ang Team Pilipinas. Kasi pag nag-qualify tayo, kung nag-medal tayo dito sa August, we're going to qualify to play in the World Championships in Spain next year. And it's been 40 years since the last time nakalaro ang Pilipinas sa World Championships.
Oh my gosh, hindi ka pa pinapanganak nun, Coach.
Hindi pa tayo pinapanganak nun, mga brother.
Batang-bata pa tayo no?
Salamat, Coach Shot!
Thank you, Coach.
Okay, we will see you here on the studio at the right time, ha?
Yes, sir. My pleasure.
Okay, salamat, Coach.
Salamat.
Coach Shot Reyes.
Suportahan natin, Team Pilipinas.
Alam mo si Coach, just to let you know, hindi lang siya coach of a basketball team, he's also a co-speaker.
Yes.
Kasama natin yan, di ba? In our speaking engagements for Business Works, for Inspire Philippines.
Business
Diba, kasama
Monday.
natin siya next speaker yan for for the Planters Group.
Yes.
Oh, di ba?
Correct.
Miikot yan no?
Yeah.
Meron tayong round robin Pero I have to say, yan si Coach Shot, team player din yan.
Yes.
Sa kanyang kumpanya mismo, partnership sa trabaho with his wife, si Cherry.
Yes.
Tony and Guy, di ba?
Correct.
Siya ang pinagpa-practice ng misis niya.
Iyan. Tama
At
naman.
kung minsan, maganda ang nagiging resulta. Hairdressing, yung paggupit ni Cherry. Pero kung minsan, nagkakamali si Cherry. Pero in spite of that,
sige lang.
okay lang, pag-practicean mo ako, Han. Di ba? Kaya po nagkikita kami ni Chot, mali na naman napag-practice ka, Ganun talaga It's not always victory. Alam mo, malapit na tayo matapos. Basahin na natin ito mga... may nanalo tayo! Yes, nanalo rito si Annabel Cruz from Muntinlupa. Congratulations ang kanyang sagot. Champion Commercial was created in 1968. Ang row 4 nasa row 8 na ngayon. Ano ba? Ang laki nyo. The higher they, rise?
The higher they rise, the harder they fall.
The harder and lower they fall.
And the further they fall.
Ibang klase. Ito, last question. We will say it before we close. Ito, bumawi naman kayo. Row 8 naman. Parang awa nyo na. One more, free slot na to. Free slot.
Layo naman sumipa. We were not born yet.
Then, ibigay na natin.
1968.
For the Timex Watch. Diba? Yan, sakto, diba? Okay, this is the question. Another champion. Joakim Johansson once set the world record for the most number of aces in a single tennis game. So, ang dami niyang na-serve na ace, diba? 51 in one game. Of course, I believe that's been reset already by today. Pero nakapag 51 aces siya in one game. In that day, sino ang kanya nakalaban?
Nako.
Yun ang tanong. Tennis to, ha? Okay, A. Ang nakalaban niya ay si Pete Sampras. B. Nakalaban niya si Roger Federer. Okay. Famous name.
Champion
C. Nakalaban niya si Andre Agassi. And D. Rafi Nadal. Okay? Joakim Johansson once set the world record for the most number of aces in a single tennis game. Who was his opponent that day when he set the record? A. Pete Sampras. B. Roger Federer. C. Andre Agassi. D. Rafi Nadal. Please text us your answers. In the meantime, basahin na natin itong mga natitirang message natin. Okay, we just said Great Holy Angels University High School class of 1998 from Marlon Calaguas.
Okay. Hi, Sir Abelio and Sir Pangilinan. Formal, I'm listening to your program. It's my first time to listen this kind of show. Sir, interested po ako.
Free
brand
slot
new, but can I get a free slot
Dami
also?
na natin nabigyan
Angeline
For the day.
of Muntinlupa.
Next week, we will give another slot.
Tawag ka ulit, Angeline.
Okay, next week, we will give another free slot. So, stay tuned. Hello, sir. Morning po. Ako'y palaging nanonood sa Action TV. Paano po kami matutulungan dito sa Mindanao? Naku.
Tawag.
Depende po sa problema. Sa lawak po ng Mindanao.
Tawag.
Wala pang pangalan, no?
Oo, wala eh.
Diba?
Paano?
We cannot solve the problem unless we know the problem.
Mm.
Okay.
Pero to, susunod. Nagbumabati siya. Hi, Anthony. I'm blessed by you and your program. Thanks, Anon.
Hello! Wow, ang ganda na kanyang pagbati. Hello!
H-I-L-O-W.
Yo, pwede
Hello.
po bang magtanong anong gagawin ko? Gusto ko sanang magbago pero hindi ko magawa. Amen! Yan rin ang dasal ni Paul, the apostle, ni Pablo. Diba? Sabi niya, the things that I do not want to do, I end up doing. So, hindi ka nag-iisa. Kinanta mo pa. Gusto kong bumait pero hindi ko magawa. That is the struggle of every person. But you know what? By God's grace. Ha? Not I, but He who lives within me, sabi ni Pablo. So, sa tulong po ng Panginoon at ng programang ito, magbabago ka.
Yeah.
Sa pag-text mo pa lang, nagbago ka na eh.
Correct.
Because you opened up. Okay.
Parang ito, yung susunod. Good morning po. Si Jesse David po ito. Paano ba humingi ng advice kay Kuya Anthony? Humingi ka na ngayon eh. Gusto ko kasing maalis ang shy and inferiority. Just by calling and texting, tinanggal mo na, you did the first step in taking away your shyness and inferiority kasi you admitted and you texted us. So, si Anthony magbibigay
Binuksan
ng
mo ang
advice
kamay
sa'yo.
mo, then you now receive. Ito pa, sabi ni Doy Aguilera. Ito po ang Santa Rosa. How much po ang ticket sa event nito dito sa June 15 sa Santa Rosa SM? Yung ating Hip Pilipinas. Libre yan! Just show up. O, di ba? Yan ang mga free sessions natin.
Oo.
Hello po sa inyong dalawa. Nananawagan po ako sa mga kapatid ng mama ko kasi matagal na sila hindi nagkikita. Hindi rin alam ng mama ko kung saan sila ngayon. Well, hindi rin namin alam kung saan ka dahil hindi namin alam ang pangalan mo at ang address mo. So, kung pwede po sanang i-text ninyo ang pangalan ninyo.
Hi, Sir Anthony P. Thanks. You have a free program on parents. HIP Pinas.
HIP, dapat yan. No?
HIP.
Okay lang.
They have sked sa SM Molino, Francesca of Bacoor, Cavite.
May nananawagan dito, nawawala raw ang kanyang anak. No? Josie Jose Bulacan po sana. Okay. Yan ang pangalan niya. Ang pangalan ng anak niya ay si Adrian. Okay. Adrian, umuwi ka na raw. Sana po maipadala niyo sa amin ang picture niya. Diba? I-post niyo po sa aming Facebook page o i-email niyo po sa amin. O tumawag kayo ulit because we'd like to help you. That is what we do. We are called to rescue.
Okay.
Okay.
Binabati ko na pala please, ang Bataan Doctors Canteen na sina Ate Madel, Ate Cheche, Kuya Riniel at Kuya Christian. This is for Vernie 2 ng Burgos, Pilar, Bataan.
Okay, we don't have much time. We just want to say thank you dun sa mga tumawag from Bataan Doctors Canteen. Okay, yung si Jenny Ursulum, meron daw some meeting sa Monday. Any suggestion on material for coaching? O champions pala, champions. Kung meron man, any material o i-google na lang niya yung sinabi mo.
Pwede.
Pakinggan nyo na lang yung message ni
YouTube.
RD.
You go on YouTube. It will be uploaded within the day or within this, within the day.
We cannot read the rest of the greetings. D. Laguna and for all others who texted and greeted us, maraming salamat. Okay, sabihin na natin nanalo, RD, ha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the winner is Romel Dionisio. For the last question, sino ang kalaban ni Johansson that day? And the answer is... itong gusto ko. Sabi ba naman ng row 8? Kung tama daw ang sagot nila, balik daw sila sa row 1. Aba, demanding?
Hoy!
Diba?
Kami ang magbibigay sa iyo ng karapatan bumalik sa
Dahil
row 1.
ni-lecture ko na ito noong June 2012, kailangan 2 rows lang. Kung tama kayo. Okay? At ang tamang sagot ay... Andre Agassi.
Yeah!
Yes! So, welcome back to row 6. Okay. Tapos na tayo.
Babatiin ko lang si Edwin and Margot Uy. Good morning sa inyo. I know you're listening. And to everyone in VBS, I will be there in a while.
And to everyone who texted and greeted, I'm sorry we were not able to read all. Pati sa mga nag-Viber at nag-BBM at nag-tweet. Grabe naman to, hindi ko na mabasa lahat. Salamat po. Have a great weekend. I'll be in Marilao this afternoon with Tin Baba for a free parenting session in SM at 3 o'clock.
And tomorrow evening, 10 p.m., don't forget, it's more fun with Philip. I will be guesting there together with Mr. Chink, Positive Chinkitan, and our host, Philip Abadisio.
And please pray for my daughter and son, si Hannah and Benjamin, who will compete in Iron Kids tomorrow. Diba? Sa kanilang aquathlon competition.
Ayos!
Have a great weekend. God bless you.
Bye-bye.